Let's take a look at this problem. Check to see if x equals -2 is the solution to the inequality. This is where we would always take our x value and plug it in. So we're plugging in -2. And then we're solving it. So I should usually put my question mark above there. And we get -11 on the left side. So is it true or not? Well, -11 is not greater than. If we have the equal to sign here, then we could say it's true, but it is not true. -2 is not a solution. All right. Next page was an agenda. This is what we do if I was here. So you can ignore number 2. You can ignore number 4. We're doing openers, notes, and then you will do your homework. I just forgot to take that out before I made copies, so I thought I'd address it with you real quickly. So example 1. What are the solutions of x minus 15 is greater than -12? We've shown that we can do equations, so let's just take it a step further with inequalities. We add 15 to both sides, and then let's use this as an excuse to practice graphing our solutions. We have x is greater than 3. So draw my number line, put 3 there, and not equal to, so open circle, and we shade to the right. Go ahead and give the you-do a try. All right. We'll go ahead and add 5 to both sides. We get n is less than 2. So again, use it as an excuse to practice graphing your solutions. We got 2. Once again, we got an open circle, but we're less than this time. So we're shading to the left. All right. Same idea. Let's go ahead and subtract 6. Be careful with your subtraction here. -4 minus 6 would be -10. Graph your number line. -10. And once again, we're an open circle and we're shading. All right. Ooh, that's not great. Let me fill in that little gap right there. There we go. All right. So for this one, you're going to subtract 12 and you get -13 is less than y. But you know me, I like to flip things around when the variable is not on the left side of the inequality. This makes it easier to graph. Now we know anything greater than -13. So once again, we got our value at -13. And I should say, once again, open circle. And we're shading to the right. All right, so let's just talk a couple of real-world problems. We have the hard drive on your computer has a capacity of 120 gigabytes. You have used 85 gigabytes. You want to save some home videos to your hard drive. What are the possible sizes of the home video collection you can save? So naturally, we just kind of want to see how much space we would have left. 120 minus 35. We've got, or sorry, minus 85. And that would be, well, I'll do this by hand. We get 5 and we get 3. So I was thinking ahead. So 35. We have 35 gigabytes remaining, but it's not enough to say like possible sizes. This means there's a variety of sizes, but there's too many to list. In fact, there's infinitely many you can list. So we're going to write it as an inequality. So our size, let's go ahead and not sign, our size will be a variable s, okay? So s has to be less than or equal to 35 gigabytes. But I'm going to go a step further because obviously we can't make a negative gigabyte video. So I'm going to say it has to be greater than 0. I'm assuming that if it was equal to 0, it wouldn't be a video at all either. So that's why I'm not putting the equal sign here. That's how we'll describe our answer. So go ahead and give this problem a chance. Okay, so we have a club has a goal to sell at least 25 plants So plants have to be greater than or equal to 25. The club sold 8 on Wednesday, 9 on Thursday. What is the possible numbers of plants you can sell for them to meet their goal? Well, let's subtract 8 off of it. That gives us 17. And then let's go ahead and subtract 9 off of it. That's 8. So what are possible numbers? Well, again, you can't, again, there's infinitely many, but there's probably a limit to how much they can sell in a day. You can't sell 1,000,000 plants in a day. And I know I showed this work in kind of an unorthodox fashion, but let's bring down our variable, our inequality sign, and then our number was 8. They have to sell at least 8 plants. Go ahead and give the exit tick a try. Thanks for watching.